This is my camping near the marshes, and I'm cooking my food right there. All my curry masala, my rice. I got some nice rice here. It's a curry style, lot of little herbs. But that's how you hook up the stove. You see the propane connected to the stove, and it has stand. And that's propane right there. It cooks so fast. If you're just cooking for like 3-4 people, that lasts like 3 days. It lasts a long time. And especially if you're cooking something simple. I usually cook simple, I cook simple. But I want to catch some crab and some shrimp and cook it. I'll take a video when I do that. Because a lot of crabs and shrimp out in the backwaters. Okay, almost done. Yeah, usually just me. If just me, I just eat out of the pan, just like that. It tastes really good when you eat out of the pan because it stays hot for a long time. It stays really hot in the pan, so I don't have to hurry. I just take my time and eat it. And I just need like one meal like that, or eat one time. So usually if I eat just one time, I just eat a big meal like that, and that should be it. Some protein, some rice, which is carbohydrate, some herbs, it's good for you. Cilantro, pepper, turmeric, ginger, garlic. Those herbs are really good for you. Even the black pepper is really healthy for you. It tastes so good. Alright, so see the onions. Onions are very important. Tomato, onions, if you bring for camping, you can just put tomato and onions in the rice, stir fry it and eat it. Just like that. Right? Because it's that good. Once you have tomato and onions, you will go with almost anything. And lentils, lentils is my favorite. You all need to see how to cook lentils. They are the best. Very nutritious. Lentils are extremely nutritious. So once you learn how to cook lentils, you can just live on lentils and rice. That's all you need, lentils and rice, and that you'll get all the nutrition you need from them, because the lentils have a lot of nutrition. Very easy to cook lentils. You just YouTube it, you'll see it. You will see much easier to cook lentils. You put some tomato and some stir fried tomatoes and onions in the lentils. Amazing. It'll be just amazing. Some garlic. That's how you do. So rice, lentils. That's it. That can be a staple diet with some onions, tomatoes, things like that. Oh, so good. Nice wind. Beautiful wind. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. It's off. It's done. It's ready. So I can just fold up my stove and leave it here, because even if rain comes, nothing will happen because it has a top. You close it down. Alright, so it's time for me to eat. Such beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. Alright, I'm going to feed that little dog some of my food as well. Okay, let's see if I can feed the dog. I'm going to get some leaf. I'm going to go and get some leaf, and I'm going to feed that dog little bits of the food, because she's been sitting there so nicely.